In the enchanting hills of Nagaland, a legend whispers through the trees. A magnificent bird, the hornbill, once soared above a village, bringing blessings and prosperity. But what happens when traditions fade? Join us as we uncover the captivating tale of the hornbill and the festival that brings a community back to life. From the mystic lands of northeast India, uncover ancient folk tales and timeless lore that echo through generations. Join us on a journey into the vibrant heritage that shapes these lands. This is Echoes of the Tribes. Stay tuned.
Nestled amidst the emerald hills of Nagaland, the village breathed in harmony with nature. The wind whispered secrets through ancient trees, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Terraced fields rippled with golden rice, a testament to the villagers' deep connection to the land. Life flowed at a gentler pace, dictated by the rhythms of the sun and seasons. The villagers lived simple lives, tending crops and sharing stories around fires. They revered nature, understanding their survival was intertwined with its well-being. They treated the forests with respect, taking only what they needed and giving back. This reverence fostered peace and belonging, binding the community together. Among the many spirits revered by the people of the village, the hornbill held a special place. This magnificent bird, with its vibrant plumage and distinctive casque, was considered a messenger from the heavens. Its resonant call echoed through the valleys, a symbol of strength, prosperity, and good fortune. The hornbill represented the spirit of the forest, its presence a sign of a healthy and thriving ecosystem. The villagers believed that the hornbill watched over them, protecting their crops and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Its feathers were treasured, often incorporated into ceremonial attire and headdresses. As time passed, a shadow began to fall over the village. The younger generation, influenced by outside forces, started to drift away from the old ways. The lure of modernity and material possessions began to erode the traditional values of respect and reverence for nature. The whispers of the wind, carrying the wisdom of their ancestors, seemed to fade into the background. The once vibrant connection to the land began to weaken. The forests, once sacred and protected, became targets for exploitation. Trees were felled without regard for the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Rivers, once revered as life-giving sources, became polluted with waste. The harmony between humans and nature, once so carefully nurtured, began to unravel. The villagers, caught in the pursuit of material gains, forgot the importance of their spiritual connection to the land. Among the village, an old wise elder observed the changing times with a heavy heart. He saw the suffering of his people and the fading connection to their traditions. He knew that the only way to restore balance was to remind the villagers of their sacred bond with nature and the importance of the hornbill. The elder gathered the villagers and spoke of the old ways, reminding them of the respect their ancestors had for the natural world. He spoke of the hornbill, the guardian spirit of the forest, and its significance in their culture. His words resonated with the villagers, stirring within them a sense of longing for the days of harmony and abundance. Inspired by the elder's wisdom, the villagers began to reflect on their actions. They realized that their pursuit of material wealth had blinded them to the true source of their well-being. With renewed determination, the villagers began to revive their ancient customs. As the villagers worked together to restore their traditions, a sense of excitement filled the air. They prepared for a grand celebration, a festival to honor the hornbill and reaffirm their connection to nature. The rhythmic beat of drums echoed through the valleys, announcing the return of the old ways. The festival began with a procession through the village, led by the elders carrying sacred objects. The villagers, dressed in traditional attire, danced and sang, their voices filled with joy and hope. As the celebrations reached their peak, a magnificent sight unfolded before their eyes. A hornbill, its plumage shimmering in the sunlight, soared through the sky, its resonant call echoing through the valleys. The villagers erupted in cheers, their hearts filled with awe and gratitude. The grand celebration that marked the return of the Hornbill became an annual event known as the Hornbill Festival. It is a time for the people of Nagaland to come together, to celebrate their rich cultural heritage. The festival showcases the vibrant traditions of the various Naga tribes with music, dance and storytelling. The Hornbill Festival is a reminder of the importance of maintaining harmony with the natural world. It is a celebration of the sacred bond between humans and the environment. The festival attracts visitors from around the world, sharing the message of conservation and cultural preservation. The Hornbill Festival has become a symbol of Nagaland's identity, a celebration of its unique culture and respect for nature.
Welcome to Nagaland, the land of festivals and traditions. Every year in December, the heart of the Naga Hills beats louder with the sound of celebration, the Hornbill Festival. This is the Hornbill Festival, where the rich cultural heritage of the Naga tribes comes to life. Named after the great Indian hornbill, a revered symbol in Naga folklore, this festival brings together all the tribes of Nagaland, each with its own unique identity. In this segment, we explore the traditional sports and games played by all the tribes in Nagaland, showcasing their unique skills and competitive spirit. Every performance, every game tells a story of strength, unity, and pride. But it's not just about performances. The festival is a celebration of Naga lifestyle, its food, its crafts, and its hospitality. From spicy smoked pork to handmade ornaments, there's a little something for everyone. The Great Indian Hornbill, after which the festival is named, symbolizes the grandeur of this celebration. Just as the Hornbill unites the skies with its flight, the festival unites the many tribes of Nagaland in peace and harmony. And the Hornbill Festival doesn't just honor tradition, it embraces the new. Modern events like the Hornbill International Rock Contest, fashion shows, and contemporary art blend the old with the new, showcasing the spirit of Nagaland in all its diversity. What started as a local celebration is now a global attraction. Tourists from across the world come here to witness the magic of Nagaland, making the Hornbill Festival a melting pot of cultures. More than a festival, Hornbill is an invitation to experience the timeless traditions of Nagaland. So come, be a part of the legacy that spans 25 years and counting. Come to the Hornbill Festival, where history meets the future and culture comes alive.